Hello everyone. You might be thinking to yourself, Mousley, what are you doing out here? Well, right now I'm in the garden, and here's why. Earlier today I was out here with the dogs, and I was walking through, and we've got some wild tomato plants up here, and I grabbed a tomato thinking nothing of it, and as I'm walking through, I noticed some black berries. Case in point, these guys, where are they? Right here. And I'm thinking, what is that? And immediately in my head, I'm like, oh my god, nightshade. Because tomatoes are in the nightshade family. So I'm freaking out thinking, did we somehow grow nightshade? Well, technically yes. So I'm freaking out and I sent a video to all of my friends telling them that, hey, nightshade's growing in my yard. Because I think, oh god, we're gonna die. Not so fast. This species right here everyone, is called the American Black Nightshade. Now I'm not going to pronounce the Roman name the Latin name very good, but Solarnum Americanum, I think that's how you pronounce it, but that means basically something from America, because it is native to North and South America. Here is the thing. The berries are edible. The green berries are not edible. They do contain high toxins. But these blackberries are edible. Now I'm going to tell you, if you don't want to eat them, don't eat them. I'm not advocating for you to eat them because I, myself, am nervous about it. However, I'm going to try it. Now right here, I have in my little plant book, I have a whole book on plants I've been documenting for about 5 years now that just show up in my yard every year. One of which being this little mercury plant. Now here's the funny thing about that. Mercury, I'm going to get back to nightshade in a second, but the mercury plant is a soil indicator. It indicates if you've got heavy metals in your soil. So does the nightshade. The nightshade does the exact same thing. Now here's the thing. To understand if this plant is edible or not, there's about about 4 or 5 things you gotta look for. Number 1 is the flowers. If you can see right here, let me try and pull it for you. Give me a sec. Well, I completely freaked that up. Okay, so the flowers. You're gonna have 5 petals, and you're gonna have a yellow anthem in the center. So 5 white petals, they do not have purple. There's a lookalike that has purple that's toxic. So 5 white petals, yellow center. The berries are gonna grow in clusters, and they're gonna be shiny. Now there's other species that are native to the Americas, but this one in particular, the Solarnum Americanum, has a shiny black kind of texture. So they grow in clusters. We've got that. We've got the 5 petals. We got that with the yellow center. We've got that so far. Now, the other thing is you want to make sure that there are no thorns on here. There are no thorns, no prickles at all on here at all. And the calyx, which is this little thingy right here. Let me pull another one for you. The calyx is this little thing right there, the star-shaped thing. If it does not go past the fruit edge, like it's not super big, then that, my friends, is an edible berry. I'm going to eat one of these right now, and I'm going to tell you, do not do this, okay? Of your own free will, I'm not advocating for this. I want to see what it tastes like, and I have identified, I also have an app that identifies plants. I have identified that this is an edible plant. I am still nervous about it. Once again, I'm not advocating for you to do this. I'm not responsible for what you do. Let's try it. It's sweet. And it tastes like a tomato. Huh. Interesting. Well, the other thing I gotta tell you is, do not eat the greens. These are edible, but there's a certain process that you have to do, and I don't know that process. Anyways, if you want to do further research, I advise you, there's a guy on YouTube, I'll put a comment or something Not, I don't think I can link to him, but I'll put a comment listing his channel. But yeah, so interesting things we learn.